Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods connected but no sound issues on Windows. If you're experiencing the AirPods connected but no sound issue on Windows, you can try the following steps to resolve it. First, you need to check your AirPods battery. Ensure that your AirPods have enough battery charge. Low battery levels can sometimes cause connectivity issues. On second, disconnect and reconnect AirPods just from go to the Bluetooth option from the search bar over here and click on the Bluetooth and other devices settings. And from here, you just need to simply connect and disconnect the options over here. And just disconnect your AirPods from your Windows PC and then reconnect them back again. To do this, you need to go to the Bluetooth settings and simply just click on that option. Or you could also try restarting your Windows from the Windows over here and tap on this option and click on this restart option in order to restart your Windows. And sometimes it can also resolve connectivity issues within your Bluetooth devices. And if none of the above steps work, you can try the resetting your AirPods, place them in the case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button again on the back of the case until the stars light up flashes amber a few times. And if the issue still persists, try these steps. They may be harder or compatibility issue with your AirPods and Windows PC as well. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.